Well, g'day. It's another beautiful day down here on the Gold Coast. As you can see behind me here, we've got Surfers Paradise skyline. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's a picture perfect winter's day. And we're fortunate enough today to be on board a 2008 Riviera 4700 sport yacht that's coming to the market soon. My name is Sam Phillips from Marine Jones, and I'm really excited to show you through this boat and why it stands out from the others. Let's take a closer look. Hydraulic swim platform here that's submersible with a tender garage up the back. So this door lifts up, the platform goes down, your tender gets stored away inside there. We've also got a set of stainless steel rails out here. It's got an electric barbecue on one side and the option to put a bait board on this side. It's a great setup here and nice and easy to launch the tender. Now this cockpit layout has to be one of the big draw cards for the 4700 sport yacht. As you can see, it's got a really long rear lounge here with 3 comfortable seats either side. So we find a lot of the dining is done here, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just entertaining. It's a great layout. This particular boat has a removable Euro awning above head here, so that's attached to the fixed awning. You get an extra 1.5 foot of shade on a day like today. It's a great addition. Now as we step into the saloon, you'll notice this large stainless steel hopper window to my left side and a stainless steel door. That opens this area up and it's really good when you're entertaining. You can have people sitting in here on the lounge, people outside, and you're all still together. On my right hand side here, you've got a well-equipped galley with a hot cold tap, sink, filtered water tap, fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and of course an electric cooktop. It's really well laid out, nice and easy to prepare meals for the family. So up here at the helm, we've got twin Caterpillar screens to show you digital engine display. You've got a chain counter here and a Raymarine hybrid touchscreen, chart plotter and depth sounder. On the right hand side you've got a Raymarine autopilot, bow and stern thruster, and also a yacht controller, which is a wireless docking remote that you hang from your neck, and that controls the engines and the thrusters at the same time. Makes it very easy to park the boat and help with the ropes. Now the 4700 models had 2 different layout options down here in the cabins. There was the 2 cabin option, which meant port side cabin, master and a lower lounge, and then there was this configuration, 3 cabins, 2 heads. So you've got a port side double cabin to the port. You've got a starboard side guest cabin, which is bunk beds. The kids really love that one. You've got a head just here, which these 2 cabins share, and it acts as a day head. And then you've got the master cabin up front with its own ensuite. Well, that concludes this video walkthrough on a 2008 Riviera 4700 sport yacht, and as we currently speak, this is the only one available in Australia. My name's Sam Phillips from Marine Jones, Riviera and Belize. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video as we've enjoyed making the video. If you would like more information, the link below will take you to the listing for more photos and specs on this particular boat. Please give us a call or send us an email if you would like to have a look at the boat in person. We look forward to hearing from you soon.